quiet.
Okay, next.
Now what's
Be
next?
quiet.
What's your second best?
Quiet.
What's the next one?
The next one I'd like to do is also a local bird, the red-tailed hawk, which Debbie and I happen to have a mating pair living with us now, so I'm pretty familiar. And the mighty power of that bird does not relate to his call.
You got a wimpy call?
Stop him. Stop him.
Uncle.
Next.
And then the next one I would like to do, I guess, is
Give us something new, Bill. Give us something new.
our woods in East Texas at night are full of hoot owls, and we never see them or hear much of them, but this is kind of how they go. Right, okay.
Which one was that? Which one was that, Bill?
All right, wrap it up with the big finish, Bill. Big finish.
Well, of course, another bird that we like a lot but don't see that much of is the hummingbird. And you may think that the hummingbird has no chirp, but indeed, if you really watch a hummingbird close, they do. And it goes a little like this. A little hard to hear. Would you like to hear it again? Let me
One more time.
let me ramp it up just a little bit.
Can you turn up the volume a little bit? Whoa, that's way too much. Tone it down a little bit.
That's about all I have tonight. Thank you.
Shut